Today we're going to be doing a Bob Ross tutorial on our face. This should be interesting. I did get the idea from Brandon Farris, and he didn't have a lot of real estate to work with, so I thought I'd give it a try, as I have a ginormous face. Big noggin. Exactly. Let's get into it. Let's not mess around here.
I'm glad you could join me today. Today we're going to do a wonderful little painting, and I really think you're going to.
We're starting with some Indian yellow. I don't have Indian or yellow. We're in the sky. Oh, I didn't prime my face. Bob, stop. So first off, we gotta prime this base. I can't believe I'm doing this. You gotta prime your base, people. I actually personally can't see my eyebrows. I mean, it's probably not good to go in your eye. We'll go pretty in there. I mean, everyone's curious what they look like without eyebrows, right? That the whole thing got around of the celebrities without eyebrows, man. I don't have speakers on my computer. I have to use the headphones, which is massively inconvenient in these times. Otherwise, I wouldn't hear Bob, and I need to hear instructions. I'm sorry, I'm going to be looking into the viewfinder quite a lot, because that is my mirror today, people. Don't assume because I'm a tattoo artist that this is going to be a nice painting, because you'd be wrong. I can't imagine it being that great, especially with the materials I have. Don't blame the materials, blame the artist. That's what I say. It's just going to look really creepy. It's going to have this, like, landscape with just eyes and a mouth. Our base is set. Okay, first off, wait. Bob.
And I'm just going to lay in a little.
I got the Indian.
So let them flow together.
Yellow. Oh my god, crimson. I got Scarlet. Not the Johansson, I wish.
Very nice.
She's a woman.
Just put a little warm spot up there in the sky. Okay, we
just go
don't
over
care.
that eyebrow.
Enjoy yourself. Okay.
I'm enjoying myself. Oh.
And I still have the same old dirty brush.
What'd you say about my brush?
Using a little hair.
Oh, that's going green. You said same dirty brush.
The bluest. You don't want all these colors in the sky. Just leave them out. You can make any kind of sky that you want. Just want to show you how to make
a beautiful
that.
Sunday
And
morning.
we'll take,
That is.
pull from the outside in.
No, that's the outside. Okay.
A little bit on the other side.
On the outside. Is that just green? Oh, I was meant to do the bottom with the fucking yellow.
Okay.
Bob,
Now
help.
We can clean and dry.
We got it.
Start in the
This
sky.
is looking good. It's about as good as it gets.
Continue. to
Yeah,
blend.
blue. Yeah. I feel you, babe. I
There
feel
we
you.
go.
Oh man, that was a close one. That was almost in my eye.
You
Does
can't
this
tell
seem
where
legit
one
to
color
anyone
stops
that's
and the
watching?
next color starts.
We move so fast. Psst, what is in my mouth?
Sometimes when you're hard to see when you're very close. Step back
You're telling
and look
me.
at it. It will look totally different.
Yeah. They look different, that's for sure.
Just very
Just
lightly.
fan it all together, man. One isn't usually
All
doing
the
this
sort
on
of
one's
blends
face.
together. That's pretty. Already.
Man, that is pretty, isn't it?
Now
Mountain?
when you
Palette knife, got it. Oh, where's my mountain gonna go? Mountain on this side or this side?
There's a lot of pressure.
Yeah, it is.
Go off all the excess paint.
Sorry? It's my
You
face,
extract
Bob.
and
I'm not gonna
grab that.
scrape off
Once again,
excess
the
paint.
canvas is canvas and you try to pull this paint. You're going to be in agony
You're
city.
telling me. I'm still on my mountains, Bob.
One of the
Calm
reasons
down.
that I use a pre-stretched double prime canvas. If you use a can, and we depend on this being wet.
Oh, it's wet, yeah.
Now then, you have to make some big decisions.
I used to be a left-hander,
Most
and then I went to Sovereign Hill. They made me right-handed, and then I became a right-handed person.
Left-handed.
And it took me forever
Super
to
nice if you have a big mirror. If you have
get my
a mirror,
pen
you can
license
do it and it looks
in
correct
school
then
because
for a
I
left-handed
was a
person.
terrible right-handed person. But now I am a
Take
tattoo
little blue,
artist.
little white. Let's just stay a little blue and
So
white.
that's a little bit of irony.
There.
But you didn't think much of me when I couldn't write my own fucking name in pen.
Let's really come
He's
through
so
that.
far ahead of me. I mean, I think we had a mountain, but now I'm not sure what that is. That's not dry. Okay. What'd you say, Bob? I'm in the middle of fucking my face up.
In your world, you can do anything that you want to do.
Why does my sky not go on my nose?
Right
This
out
is a
through.
problem.
I don't know. It could just
Me
sit in
either,
your
Bob.
mind and drop it in.
I'm gonna have to bring that up there.
Just practicing things in your mind and then putting them on canvas.
Are we misting again? What are we doing here, Bob?
Okay.
Bob? In my mouth? In my mountain. That's right. Jot along there, he said, and then flick up or some shit. Oh,
And to have some fun.
yeah, I am.
It doesn't matter.
It doesn't
A bit
matter.
of crimson. maybe.
Yeah, I don't know if
Here
our
and there.
happy places come
Now,
together.
well, maybe
Also,
one or
my
two
mountain
of these
doesn't take up
trees.
my whole face.
Then you just put it in
These
there
don't look
where
like
it's
trees
easy.
anymore.
Now,
They look
right in
like
here, let's have some reflections.
really
Because
bad
this is wet,
mustache.
it's hard to do. I turn the canvas upside down and paint the scene over, but watch right here.
I can't turn my
Because this
canvas
is wet,
upside
all
down,
you have to do is
Bob.
grab it.
I don't really know what's happening. I think we're
There's
getting
yours.
some
You can
lost
do anything.
translations here. I don't actually know where my
Few here and there, indicate
is meant to
sticks,
sit
twigs, tree
because my
trunks,
mouth's
all
in the
those
way.
happy little
We're
some
doing
of our
more
evergreen
trees,
painting.
Bob?
We'll
I
have a
don't
lot
have a lot of
evergreens in
facelift. What you got? Oh, big tree, big tree, big tree. We're just gonna make this whole side a massive,
Flesh 'em out sometime.
massive tree. Oh, it doesn't help that I need glasses to see life. That's a tree, bros. How much face do you think I have, Bob? The granddaddy. Oh my god.
The last guy used to have a huge evergreen that lived in my front yard.
Oh, okay.
Boy, he was a son of a gun.
Oh, the tree.
Used to, the people eat them there.
Sorry?
They were safe at my house.
No, they weren't. Don't you
Liquid
lie, Bob.
Jeffrey
Dahmer and people, Bob, you can tell me.
Just take a 2-inch brush and we'll pull it right through some color. A lot of paint.
I don't think my tree and your tree make babies, you know? Okay? I don't think they're compatible. Hey, wait, did we season our bush? What happened?
All kind of happy.
Bob, give me a minute. I need to catch up. All right. Oh, God. Bob.
Just happy little.
What the hell? When did Bob get a river?
Goes out behind the bin.
And then that comes out here. Oh, it's really in my mouth now. He needs a trunk?
Sidewards pull.
What? I don't have a light brown, Bob.
Dark and automatically that's going to turn a beautiful green because it has blue in it.
Oh, I thought we were making brown. Okay, I did this wrong. That's a trunk.
So it also strike the trees stronger on the right than it would on the left.
Wait, how many trees are over there? Oh my lord, Bob. When were you going to tell me we did more trees? I need more paint. When did you mention the other trees? He wants me to use the fan brush for everything. For highlighting a bush.
Evergreens always have dead sticks hanging off of them. Watch right. Come here.
Do they?
Watch here. Take that.
I don't know what this looks like.
Straight through the paint.
But I'm hoping for you guys.
The 1-inch brush is clean.
It's a bloody beautiful dream. What now?
Caddy yellow.
You shitting me? I don't know how I can do any more. How many happy bushes we got, Bob? I don't actually know where the ground goes. There's a tiny little bush down there.
I'm going into yellow. Oh.
No, there's not.
Visualize these in
Call me out like that. Bob! Oh, honey, you get in the bush. You know what I'm saying? You might not want a bush, but you gonna get one.
There's another little bush.
And here we go. I don't like my water. I'm gonna fix my water. Bob, you bush.
I'll probably get...
And I'm gonna fix my water.
There's absolutely no video magic that happens here. What happens here, good or bad, absolutely happens in the time that you see it happen.
Amen, Bob. You don't need to trace shit. You're goddamn miracle. Now we have water. He's really bad in these bushes.
This would be a nice place to live out here. It's so pretty.
Wouldn't it just be a nice place to live?
Nobody's angry out here.
What kind of life you living, Bob? Somebody angry at you, baby?
Animals, talk to trees.
Oh, I talk to trees all the time.
Make friends
They
with
look
God
at me
and
funny.
nature.
That's a lot of bush, Bob.
That's the spot.
Yes, it is. That is definitely the spot.
Maybe.
God, we're doing stones. Okay.
Just a little stone. If you take care of this stone, treat it right, it'll grow up to be a big mountain like back there.
Oh, he's so beautiful.
We know that's not true, but it sounds
good. What happened to you, Bob?
If you have trouble making these stick, add
I do have a lot of trouble making a lot of things. I've got a tiny mountain. Don't worry about it. It's fine.
Give each one of them a name if necessary.
Janice.
Scratch through the paint, sticks, twigs, all
gonna scrape the shit out of my face. Am I, Bob? Yeah, that's leaves.
Are between the bushes.
That means sticks. You can see it, can't you? It clearly sticks.
Mainly in the dark areas.
I don't really know.
All kinds of
How are we not done, Bob? This is a problem.
White.
Titanium white.
Looks like I hit a little blue there too. And
no, I got white. Oh.
Draw my knife across it. Once again, using a very firm pressure.
Oh, I'm gonna pressure it.
Bend the knife.
It's only my face, Bob. It's only my face.
Strong. You're not gonna hurt it.
Okay. Oh, I just realized the viewfinder is backwards. Happy painting, everyone. Personally, I think this was a success. I'll get nice and close for you guys to check. I hope you enjoyed this video because I enjoyed filming it. It was actually quite a little hoot.